your name and the name of your business.
My name is Dauri Kowitz, and my business is Be Ageless.
Awesome. And what did you think about ChatGPT before you came to the mastermind?
I didn't know anything about it. All I knew was ChatGPT, you ask it questions and it gives you data back, but that's literally all I knew. And I know like so much more now. I mean, I feel like I could actually use it.
Awesome.
I'm like a total newbie.
Very cool. And so do you feel that you learned enough this weekend that you can be confident in using ChatGPT for your business?
Oh, yes. And what's really nice is we're going to have all the replays and all the slides and all the step-by-steps. I mean, that in itself was invaluable.
Awesome. In your own words, what was the whole experience like?
Total exchange and abundance. I mean, like everything. I mean, from the amazing coffee to listening to Manuel to the additional speakers to the environment. It's like everything. Everything is like one of your core values. Was it like, I don't know what it was, but everything was just like excellent, like top of the line, comfortable chairs, everything was just perfect.
Awesome. And what was the most valuable lesson that you learned?
That there's a lot I need to learn. There's, you know how you don't know what you don't know? Now I know what I don't know, and now I know what I need to know, and now I have the roadmap to get there.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys.